Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some future brand spoilers that will be in our boxes for 2020. Before we get into that, I just want to remind you that if you want any information on Boxycharm or how to subscribe, I do have a link in my description below for you. I also have a giveaway currently still going on, so if you haven't had the opportunity to enter, you still have time to do so. Go ahead and check out the video link in my description. The brands I'm about to show you have been confirmed, so if you're ready, let's take a look at the spoilers. Now, Joe did mention on a live that we should be seeing Hourglass coming back in our base box. And during a live with Glam with Suzanne, Joe accidentally slipped and mentioned that Kylie's skin will be in a future box. And it looks like Natasha Denona is sticking around as well. And I'm happy that Sunday Rally ain't going nowhere because I really do love their products. This next one I'm really excited for. It's Kevin Aucoin. I can't believe they're actually going in Boxycharm. Now the last one we have is Hank and Henry. So I'm really excited to see more Hank and Henry in the box. This actually wasn't confirmed by Joe, but it was confirmed by Hank and Henry himself. Take a look.
Bottoms up. Yeah, so everything on the website is 40% off with the code BOXY to celebrate us being in Boxycharm. We're in Boxycharm 2 more times this year, possibly 3 more times. We just submitted them a new collection that we're coming out with later on in the year, and they just went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs for it. But you guys know, the more you guys tell Boxycharm you want more Hank and Henry, they actually listen to that. They literally show me. They'll be like, we get so many messages about, like, we need more Hank and Henry. So I'm like,
So what do you think of the spoilers? I can't wait to see what items we actually get from these brands. Alright guys, remember, I will always keep you updated, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you're notified whenever I do post a video. Alright guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.